So guys, we're out here today running the RC trucks. As you can see, we bashed these things already. We put a hurt on these things. This thing has been tried and proven so many times. This guy, well, it ate another servo up, and it's because it's a 110 servo. As you can see, big old truck, little servo, little truck, big servo. Makes a bit of a difference. And Max is down right now waiting on some rear parts for that. So yeah, this wet sand is terrible. So this is where we ride our dirt bikes at, if you guys don't recognize it yet. And Russell's gonna run the Max, and then I'm gonna fly this thing around and try to get some footage of you for you guys. Probably won't chase the truck too much, because where he's in here and I'm around, it's not open enough for me to probably do that, to not kind of want to hit him.
You're in my domain, got the whole crowd screaming out our name. It's a blowout, it's a hurricane, it's over before you know it. While you're shaking, we're a dynasty in the making. We're the royalty, now we're breaking down the enemy. Move over for the soldiers. Take a swing, I can take a hit. If we die, it's fine, we live for this. It's all for this. We're gonna stand on top with our hands in the sky. Gonna raise our cup to the stadium lights. For the glory, for the glory. We celebrate with the city tonight. Hear the hometown cheer, it's the ultimate high. For the glory, we do it for the glory. Yeah, we've waited for our time to come, calculated everything we've done, we've upgraded. Now you can't outrun a champion. Now you're facing one. Can you hear them? Yeah, it's all for us. You believe them? Yeah, it's serious. Hear the siren. We're victorious. I'm telling you. Can I get a hell yeah? Take a swing, I can take a hit. If we die, it's fine. We live for this. It's all for this. We're gonna stand on top with our hands in the sky. Gonna raise our cup to the stadium lights. For the glory, for the glory. We celebrate
a fucking tie. These motherfuckers over here. What up?
Where's the dirt bike?
We come over here running RC trucks and freaking flying drones.
I know I seen somebody standing out there.
Yeah. We ride with this fool here. He's done been caught by the police. He don't give shits. Glad your bike didn't get fucked up in that shit.
Yeah.
My man said fuck the police one day and hit the car and everything, but his legs didn't fucking work. Well, they did, but they weren't fast enough.